Assalamualaikum, this is Hamna Khalid from Ocean of Knowledge. Today we will discuss what is indefinite pronoun. First, there is a need to discuss what is the introduction of indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun is a pronoun that refers to the thing or person without being specific. Indefinite pronoun refers to the thing and person in a general way. It does not refer to the thing or person in a particular way. Look at what are indefinite pronouns. Any, anything, anyone, each, everybody, everyone, everything, few, many, nobody, none, one, several, some, somebody, all, and someone are indefinite pronoun. Now look at some examples of indefinite pronoun. Some are born great in it, some is indefinite pronoun. All were drowned, in which all is indefinite pronoun. One hardly knows what to do in it, one is indefinite pronoun. Now we move towards the uses, how we can use in an appropriate way in the indefinite pronoun. Now we move toward this. Now I tell you the uses of indefinite pronoun, where indefinite pronoun can be used. The first use is that most of these words may also be used as adjective. How they can be used as adjective? For example, I give you example. He is a man of few words, and we can also say I will take you there one day. Another example is that any fool can do it. Another use of indefinite pronoun is that in referring to anybody, everybody, everyone, anyone, each, etc., the pronoun he or she is used according to the context. In it, he and she will be used according to the situation, according to the context. I give you the example. I shall be glad to help every one of my boys in his studies. But one notable thing is that today it is more usual to use it as plural pronoun. They, their, and them, uh, but they will not be used in formal English. I give you example. Each of them had their share, and other example is that anyone can do it if they try. Okay, the lecture is over. I think you have understood it in a better way. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.